What's up everyone, Spencer Su here, your tech realtor of the Bay Area. This time we get to take a look at a new development community here in Santa Clara. Welcome to Catalina, built by Landsea Homes. This location is in the heart of the Bay Area, just minutes away from Santa Clara University, San Jose Airport, and great companies like ServiceNow and NVIDIA. Today we're going to look at a few of the model homes here. They have currently sold 38 units out of their 54 new homes. They will continue to release more lots through the course of the year. What makes this community unique is for the properties facing El Camino Real, you actually have the option for the street level floor to be used as a live workspace. They have 3 different floor plans here. Each have 3 bedrooms. All are 3 stories tall, ranging between 626 square foot to 1971 square foot. Let's go take a look inside. Well, come on in. This is Plan 2. It's 1889 square foot. This one actually has a shared communal space on the bottom level. You still have the half bath in the back, and then you have the access to the garage down on this side. That was the bottom level. Let's go take a look upstairs. You'll actually notice the elegant stairway as we go upstairs. Right, we are here on the 2nd floor. You'll see a beautiful kitchen with some very high-end appliances. You have Bertazzoni here. These are 30-inch stoves along with a 30-inch underhood. You have wonderful stainless steel refrigerator and a built-in microwave. This floor here itself is very open, so it's shared with your family room. And then actually on the side here, you have a full bath along with an extra bed. All right, we are here on the 3rd floor. Let's go take a look inside the master bedroom. Come on in. You can see it's a very large open space with a really deep bathroom. So you have a nice walk-in closet at the very end. Welcome to plan number 3. This is a 1971 square foot home. Come take a look inside. We are here on the bottom level. Come take a look around. Same as plan 2, except this space is much larger than the other one. You have some space on the side where you can have a seat. You have some storage here on the bottom. You have the 2-car garage, and then you have a half bathroom on the right-hand side. We're here on the 2nd floor. You can see the layout is slightly different. The kitchen itself, this one will have an island countertop. The bed and bath is actually not behind the kitchen like plan 2. It's actually at the far end, so you'll take a look momentarily. We are here on the 3rd and final floor. There is 2 bedrooms up on this floor. Look behind me. We're going to take a look at the master bedroom. Well, there you have it. These are wonderful properties in the most amazing city of Santa Clara. Thank you, Landsea Homes, for the opportunity to do this video tour. If you or anyone you know is considering to buy in this community or any new homes in the Bay Area, reach out to me. Love to help you. Have a better life today.